Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will see how can you do a case insensitive search in regular expression. So class, as I told, by default the Python regular expression is case sensitive. So let me just show the case sensitive search. For example, I have four words: dog, dog, dog and doggy. You have different cases here and I'm actually matching the pattern dog, which is everything in small case. So even if you see the pattern dog is present everywhere, it will only match with a single word. Let us see, right? Dog matches. Now, if you want to have a case insensitive search, Python does provide you with the compile method. You can actually add this keyword re.ignore case, right? So this is again case sensitive. So ignore case has to be in capitals, right? A short form of this is re.I, right? We can use ignore case to make the code more readable. So in this case, you will see that dog will be matched. Since we are using the match keyword, it will match at the start, but it will not check for the case. So in this case, you can see all the dog patterns actually match. So the only takeaway here is you can have re.ignore case to ensure that the Python regex does not check for cases, right? It becomes a case in sensitive search. So that's it for this video class. Have a good day.